guys, Stephen Fillers here in the garage. Today we're looking at Husky liners mud guards. And the mud guards and mud flaps in general are almost becoming a mainstay as new applications are coming off the lot with larger wheels and tires. And with those larger wheels and tires, sometimes spray off of a wet road or any sort of spray wax on your tires kicks up onto that paint. And that's a problem. And that's where the mud guards come in. These are designed at maximum width and maximum length to protect your paint against any sort of kick up off the road, or like I said, any sort of spray wax or any sort of treatment on your tires. So that does a great job of protecting your paint. Now these are designed of a TPO or a thermoplastic material. It's a resin, so it's very strong, very durable, but also is covered by a lifetime warranty. So if these happen to crack or break in half, anything like that, Husky Liners has you covered. These are also application specific, so they're going to fit and look great on your application alone. If you have an F-150, they're going to fit your F-150, not a Silverado. If you have a Silverado, they're going to fit your Silverado, vice versa. In our case, they work and fit great on this Explorer. They look also very great. They have that texture black finish, which is very popular right now. And they have a very sleek look. In a lot of cases, sometimes mud guards or mud flaps look a little bit out of place, but in this case, they actually complete the look of the vehicle very well. So as far as the installation goes, I'm going to give this a 2 of 10 on the difficulty scale. It's really pretty straightforward, and you can do the entire package in about 30 minutes. Now in some applications, if not most, you won't have to remove the tires or do any drilling, but in our case, we removed the tires to give ourselves some more clearance to make the install happen, and we had to do some drilling. So depending on your application, you may or may not have to take those extra steps. Another thing to note is that if you have aftermarket fender flares or side steps of any shape or form on your vehicle, you may or may not be able to use these mud guards. So just be aware of that. If you have any questions, contact Husky Liners and they can maybe give you some advice in making that decision. All right, so that's a wrap on the Husky Liners mud guards. If you have any questions or comments you want to leave, check the comment section below. Leave us something there. Or if you have any more details you'd like to have about the product, check the description below the video. We'll have everything listed for you there, as well as a part number and even a dealer locator, so you can find this USA-made product at a dealer near you. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.